I wasn't born for greatness. Just a small town boy. Not rich, not poor. We had little, but we had each other. As a child, life was simple: eat, sleep, play. I didn't like books. Didn't finish school. Nobody blamed me. That's just how it was. In our village. The night before I left, you pressed my hand.
Take care of yourself.
At the bus station, you said again.
Be a good person. An honest one.
And I promised I will. Sitting on the bus, trees blurring past the window, I asked myself, am I really ready? A voice deep in my heart whispered, you're not. But I still went. The city was a storm. Skyscrapers. Crowds. I was just a ghost among them. A distant uncle got me a job in construction. Under the sun. Shirt soaked, then dried, then soaked again. Long hours. Endless overtime. And slowly, I disappeared from myself. No work, no pay. The pay was better than back home. But in the city, it vanished fast. Fever. Still must work. Everything costs money. Everything is expensive here. The loneliness. It wasn't just being alone. It was being sick in a dorm with no one to care. No door to knock. No voice to call my name. One day, the supervisor shouted at us. I wanted to fight back. Coworker or Jean patted my shoulder. He scolds everyone. Doesn't scold, he might die. That night, Jean said, You want fast money, lang. Easy. Quick. Right or wrong. I didn't care. I just wanted to exist. And so I fell. When the handcuffs clicked, silence, and I heard your voice again.
Be a good person.
I broke that promise, Mama. I broke it in the worst way. You walk through the market. The whispers. The stares. You pretend not to notice. Holding your bag tighter, as if it could carry the weight of my shame. In the prison meeting room, you sat across from me. No tears. No scolding. Just a long, quiet look. And you said nothing. But inside, I wept. Because we were taught, men don't cry. My throat seized. My eyes burned. Mama, I whispered, the name itself a plea. And then, the tears came. I was just Olang again. Your little boy. Broken and begging. Then you spoke.
Did they bully you inside? You looked thinner. Got enough to eat.
How could you still care? After I had shamed you. Your voice, soft and unwavering, was a bomb. And a brand. A reminder of the love I betrayed. In the still of the night, I heard your voice. Calling my name, not loud, but clear. It echoed through my sleep like a prayer. And I woke up with wet eyes. One night, the officer stopped, looked me in the eye.
Don't waste your ma's tears, boy. Not everyone gets a second chance.
In the dark, I whispered your name. Mama. Forgive me. Tears soaked the mattress. My soul, drowning in regret. And I dreamed of your voice, calling my name again and again. Every meal you cooked, every coin you saved, I turned them into poison. I used your love to shame you. If this world still holds space for broken sons, I will find my way home, even if I have to crawl. Every breath I take is a prayer, asking for your forgiveness. This isn't a story about crime, Maman. It's a story about conscience. About a mother's love that never gave up, and a son's soul that finally woke up. Some mothers never raise their voices because their silence is the only shelter left when the storm is their son. In the silence of a mother's love, a son learns the hardest truth: redemption doesn't come with words. It comes with waking up, one breath at a time.